let's talk about the osteopathic, chiropractic, and other procedures section. In this section, you are going to learn about the root operations used for osteopathic, other procedures, and chiropractic sections of ICD-10 PCS. You're going to learn to identify the character meanings, to identify the approach, devices, and qualifiers used in the osteopathic, other procedures, and chiropractic sections of ICD-10 PCS. And you will learn to code procedures from the osteopathic, other procedures, and chiropractic sections of ICD-10 PCS. The osteopathic, other procedures, and chiropractic sections of ICD-10 PCS are discussed under one grouping because of the size of the sections and the nature of the procedures. However, we will be discussing each section individually. The first section we are going to talk about is the osteopathic section. The osteopathic section has a character 1, which is a value of 7. The second position is identified as anatomical region and has a value of W. The third character is the root operation, of which there is only one, treatment. Treatment is defined by ICD-10 PCS in the osteopathic table as manual treatment to eliminate or alleviate somatic dysfunction and related disorders. This treatment has a value of 0. Alright, let's talk about the additional character values of the osteopathic section. Character 4 denotes the body region, or the body areas that need to be identified. The following body regions and their values are used for this particular section. You have head, which has a value of 0. Cervical, which has a value of 1, thoracic, which has a value of 2, lumbar, which has a value of 3, sacrum has a value of 4, pelvis has a value of 5, lower extremities have a value of 6, upper extremities have a value of 7, rib cage has a value of 8, abdomen has a value of 9. The fifth character position is the approach, and it is always external because osteopathic services are non-invasive. The value X is always used in the fifth character position. The sixth character position denotes the method. Now, the method can vary depending on the services rendered and appears in tables as following: articulatory, raising, value of 0, fascial release, value of 1, general mobilization, value of 2, high velocity, low amplitude, value of 3, indirect, value of 4, low velocity, high amplitude, value of 5, lymphatic pump, value of 6, muscle energy, isometric, value of 7, muscle energy isotonic, value of 8, and other methods which has a value of 9. It is important to note that any doctor performing osteopathic treatment should clearly document the method used. Make sure, if it's not clearly documented in the medical record, that you query the physician before assigning a character from this table. The seventh character position is not specified in the osteopathic section of ICD-10 PCS, so the value for this position is Z, the none. Let's talk about the other procedure section. In the other procedure section, there are two tables. The first character identifying the section is 8. The second characters have a value of C for indwelling device, or E for physiological systems and anatomical regions. Character 3, the root operations, has a value of 0, meaning other procedures. Other procedures are defined as methodologies that attempt to remediate or cure a disease or a disorder. Character 4 is for body region, and values are unique to each table. Table 8C0 and 8E0 include values that are unique to each table. The fifth character value represents the approach. For table 8C0, there is only one option for the fifth character, value X for external. For table 8E0, the following approach values are used: X for external, 0 for open, 3 for percutaneous, 4 for percutaneous endoscopic, 7 for via natural or artificial opening, and 8 for via natural or artificial opening endoscopic. The tables for other procedures contains various methods not seen in other sections. For table 8C0, in the sixth character position, there is only one value used, 6, meaning collection. For table 8E0, the following values are used in the sixth position: 0, acupuncture, 1, therapeutic massage, 6, collection, B, computer-assisted procedure, C, robotic-assisted procedure, D, near-infrared spectroscopy, Y, other methods. Character position 7 is the qualifier position. These alphanumeric character values identify additional information that clarifies the service rendered. For table 8C0, the following values are used: J for cerebrospinal fluid, K for blood, L for other fluid. For table 8E0, many different values are used depending on the procedure completed. Now let's talk about the chiropractic section. A chiropractor, a doctor of chiropractic medicine, believes that all body functions are connected. For this reason, healing involves the entire body. Like the osteopathic and other procedures tables, the chiropractic table is very small. Chiropractic services are recognized by the first character value of 9. The second character position is identified by a W, anatomical region. The third character value for the root operation has only one value of B, for manipulation. And manipulation is a manual procedure that involves a direct thrust to move a joint past the physiological range of motion without exceeding the anatomical limits. ICD-10 PCF defines chiropractic manipulation in Table 9WB. And the definition of a manipulation is a manual procedure that involves a direct thrust to move a joint past the physiological range of motion without exceeding the anatomical limits. The fourth character indicates the body region on which the chiropractic manipulation is performed. The following body regions are noted in the chiropractic table: head, value of 0, cervical, value of 1, thoracic, value of 2, lumbar, value of 3, sacrum, value of 4, pelvis, value of 5, lower extremities, value of 6, upper extremities, value of 7, rib cage, value of 8, abdomen has a value of 9. The fifth character of the chiropractic section represents approach. The approach in the chiropractic table in ICD-10 PCS is always a value of X because the approach is always external. And don't forget, the approach is located in the fifth position. The method of manipulation is identified in the sixth character position of the chiropractic section. Several methods coded from this table are categorized as non-manual, indirect visceral, extra-articular, direct visceral, long lever specific contact, short lever specific contact, long and short lever specific contact, mechanically assisted, and other methods. The documentation should clearly state the type of method of manipulation that was done. The qualifier for the seventh position is always represented by a Z, denoting no qualifier. Let's go over some key points. Osteopathic manipulation therapy, OMT, is another term used for osteopathic services. Treatment is defined in the osteopathic table as manual treatment to eliminate or alleviate somatic dysfunction and related disorders. A chiropractor is a doctor of chiropractic medicine. Chiropractic medicine treats in a manner that believes that all body functions are connected. Okay, let's do a coding exercise. Please code robotic assisted procedure of the head, open approach. So, the answer to the coding assignment is 8E090CZ. 8, other procedures. E, physiological systems and anatomical regions. 0, for other procedures. 9, the head and neck region. 0, it was an open procedure. C, robotic assisted procedure. And then Z, no qualifier. I hope you all were able to get that answer.